A lot of you keep asking me, is there any vacancy for a Hindi tutor? So yes, in today's video I am going to share a platform where you can apply as a Hindi tutor. Not only Hindi, there are multiple subjects hiring right now. So make sure you watch this video till the end because I am going to share how to apply. Before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, here I share information about online teaching opportunities and work from home jobs. So guys, TutorWave is hiring and the good news is that they are hiring for multiple subjects including Hindi. And I'll attach the screenshot on the screen where you can clearly see that the Hindi tutor position is available along with other subjects. Now when you open the platform and click on subject and courses, you will see many different categories. The first category is grade level subjects, in which you will see a lot of subjects like math, science, physics, chemistry, even economics. In fact, I saw many comments on my previous video where people were asking if economics tutor jobs are available. So yes, economics is also listed here and you can apply for it. So next, they also have languages where Indian languages are mentioned, which means if you are comfortable teaching Hindi or any other Indian language, you can apply there as well. And finally, there are also college level subjects. So depending on your qualification and expertise, you can apply accordingly. Now, one important thing that I would like to share, in my last video, some people commented that they applied, got a call from the company, but later got rejected because they didn't have a pen tab. So, guys, I have mentioned like many times in my previous videos that for online teaching, a pen tab is almost like mandatory. If you don't have one, the chances of getting selected can be lower. So in this job description in tutor waves, they have not mentioned specifically that pen tab is mandatory for Hindi tutor. But if you think practically, like for subjects like maths and physics, teaching without writing, is it possible? It's almost impossible. You cannot properly explain any concept just verbally, right? So even if it is not strictly mentioned, I would still recommend that using a pen tab will make your teaching more effective. And yes, regarding demo classes, one more comment I received was that someone, got selected initially, but later found that the demo classes are not paid. To be honest, in many companies, demo classes are unpaid. So I'm not misguiding anyone. I always try to share genuine opportunities that actually exist. And whether you want to apply or not, it's completely your decision. My suggestion is always, research a little about the company, check reviews, watch videos, and then apply. Also, I do read your comments. Sometimes I may not get time to reply to each one, but I definitely note down important points. And in my next video, I try to address those doubts. So please keep commenting. And if I find something important, I'll definitely include it in my upcoming videos. So now let's quickly see how you can apply for this job. So for this, what do you need to do? You can scroll a bit, right? So if you see, they here it is mentioned about the company, some courses and all. You can browse all to have a look. Otherwise, you can just go at the end. Here we have a careers option. You can just select it. Once you click it, you will get this page. When you scroll it down, we have 3 steps. One is you need to check your eligibility. You should have excellent communication, strong subject expertise, master degree or higher. And then you need to prepare your CV accordingly, in which you need to mention your academic qualification, your experience, and your suitability and effectiveness as an online tutor. If you have your pen tab listed down in your CV, and then you need to apply. How to apply? You just need to send your resume to this email ID, hr@tutorwaves.com. And once they feel like you are
good to go with their company, they'll call you. And otherwise, if you can, mail to this email, that will be great. Or you may just fill out the form. Here in this form, you just need to mention your name, phone number, email ID, country, message, and then you can just upload your CV. And you can explore this website, go to home. A lot of things are mentioned about the company, their students, and all. If you want, you can scroll it down and just have a look. So, yes, there is a chance that demos might not be paid here as well. So, please keep this in your mind before applying.
If you found this video helpful, make sure you like the video, comment कर देना अपना subject and video को share कर देना अपने friends के साथ. So that's all for today's video. See you in the next video with new job opportunity. Bye. Take care.